welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I take off my mini braids and my aftercare for my protective style. So I did these mini braids myself, and I actually have a video where I showed you how I did it, and if you would like to see that, I'll go ahead and link it. I've had these for almost 2 months now. Let me just show you what my hair is looking like. So originally this hair was a middle part, but you can't even really see the middle part anymore. The first thing that I'm going to do is pretty much go ahead and section my hair into 4 parts so that I can work in sections, because I just love working in sections. Working in sections makes my hair just manageable and I don't get overwhelmed. Now that I have my hair sectioned up, I'm going to take a mixture, warm water with some jojoba oil, and I'm going to shake it up. And I'm gonna mist this per section just to get my hair a little damp. I'm not gonna get my hair wet, and I'm not gonna keep it dry. I just find that when my hair is slightly damp, it's just soft enough to where I can manipulate it without damaging it. Because I find that with my Texlaxed hair, when it's wet, it just gets really stringy and it just feels really weak and it just kind of tangles up. And I do not like to detangle. I do not like to unbraid. I do not like to do anything with my hair when it's wet. Also, I don't like to manipulate my Texlaxed hair when it's dry because it just feels a little brittle. Honestly, to me, just damp hair is just the perfect in-between for managing and manipulating Texlaxed hair. I chose this bottle instead of a regular spray bottle because I just want the water coming out to be really fine and literally mist my hair and just get it damp. I also find that when I get my hair damped a little bit, especially with taking down braids, it kind of loosens up the buildup. It kind of loosens up things on my scalp. So I'm going to go ahead and start from this braid and just kind of tie up the rest of this. If I have to, I might even go into the roots and just spray it a few times. If my braids were a lot longer than my hair, I would have cut off all the extra hair so that I didn't have to unravel a bunch of hair that I didn't need to unravel. But because my hair is pretty much the same length as the extensions, I'm not going to be cutting anything. I'm just going to start unraveling. As I'm unraveling these braids, I'm just being really gentle with my hair. I'm making sure that when I'm doing this process, I'm not rushing the process. This is a day where I'm just going to be home and I'm not going to be trying to hurry up to an appointment or anything like that, so that I'm not trying to rush through this process and damage my hair. After I use the rat tail comb to start unraveling the hair, I use my fingers to gently unravel the rest of the braid. I finish unraveling the braid and then I finger detangle before I use a wide tooth comb to detangle even more. Okay, so I'm back. It's a few days later and I'm finally done taking out all the braids. It took me about 3 days to take down my braids because I had to stop a lot because I'm a mom and I just don't have the time to just sit there all day and, unravel my hair. So I'm pretty much just going to show you what I did to my hair to unravel it up to this part. I kind of showed you in the first clip what I did, but I thought, let's go and get up and close and personal where I really zoom you in and you can see the product buildup. You can see the state of my scalp. The most important thing in this whole process is to detangle your hair before you wash it. Here I'm showing you that I didn't lose much hair. For the 3 braids I just unraveled, this is how much hair I lost. Next, I'm going to take some DIY aloe vera juice and apply it all over my hair. This aloe vera juice came out really watery, so I decided to put it in a spray bottle and spray it into each section. Normally when I make aloe vera, it's very sticky and gooey and I like that gel feel, but I think I blended this one up too much because it just turned into water, but I still made use of it. I like using aloe vera juice as a pre-poo, especially after a protective style, because it strengthens your hair, it helps with itchy scalp, and it helps you grow your hair. I also find that it deeply moisturizes my hair without making it greasy. Once I get the aloe vera juice on all of my hair and scalp, I give myself a scalp massage and a light scalp scratch to help exfoliate all the dead skin cells that have been collecting the last 2 months. I then section off my hair and I put on a plastic cap, and then on top of that I wear my flaxseed heat cap that helps me get a deep conditioning. I will leave this aloe vera in for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. I rinse out the aloe vera juice. and I shampoo 2 times to get my hair clean. I don't like to use a clarifying shampoo because I just find that it just extremely strips my hair and makes it feel really squeaky clean, and I just don't like that feeling after a protective style because I want to rehydrate my hair. I want to give it nourishment. I want it to feel soft and moisturized. I don't want to completely strip it. I actually thought that this shampoo was going to be the Aussie Moisture, but my husband accidentally picked up the Aussie Volume and I started using it, so I'm going to finish it. But I normally buy the Aussie moisturizing shampoo because I find that it really does moisturize my hair. After I rinse off the shampoo, I go in with a conditioner. I love using the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mufura Oil conditioner. It leaves my hair buttery soft. Once I completely wash that off, it's time to deep condition my hair. My hair already feels really soft and hydrated, so I'm just going to do a quick deep conditioner. I'm going to be using the Aussie 3-minute. I also wear this deep conditioner with my plastic cap and then my flaxseed heat cap that I microwave. Once I leave that on for a few hours, I wash it off, and this is what my hair is looking like. I have so much volume because I haven't Texlaxed my hair. I am 5 months post Texlax, and that's because I'm currently 6 months pregnant and I don't feel comfortable relaxing my hair or Texlaxing my hair when I'm pregnant because I'm just afraid of the chemicals. So I'm not going to be Texlaxing my hair for the remaining of my pregnancy, which is 3 more months. So I'm going to have to figure out how to deal with my hair and style my hair when it's in this crazy state. Once I wash off all the deep conditioner, I don't just let my hair air dry in the air. I like to let it dry in the t-shirt because I kind of want to keep it damp. Here I'm going to show you how I detangled my hair. I pretty much love detangling my hair when it's damp. To keep my hair damp because my hair quickly dries out, I keep a little mist bottle that I have warm water and jojoba oil. I finger detangle and then I will use a wide tooth comb to gently detangle. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for my next video.